After we have learned about the CPU, process, scheduling, data logs, and memory, we began to look at storage within the computer system. Every day, when we use our computers, we create many files, download many files, transfer many files through the internet, and eventually we place these files in our computer storage space. In this chapter, we will explore what is a file, what role does the file system play, how do we manage these files, and what are the mechanisms involved. We will divide the file system into two main topics. The first topic we are going to explore is the file system's interface. We will look at why we need such a system from the user's perspective. We will briefly introduce what a file is. We will discuss the different types of methods for reading a file. Different access methods will affect both users and designers. There will also be different ways of implementation. What is a directory? How to dynamically increase the space of the file system. Files are usually shared. How do we share our files? Unlike other resource management, we are very concerned about the security of our files when managing a LAN. So we will discuss file protection. The second topic is the details and design consideration of the file system implementation. We will not be looking at the file system from the user's perspective, but rather from the angle of design and implementation. Therefore, we will look at what the architecture of a file system is, and how the file system manages the files. Another point is how the file system manages the storage resource, which is the space on the disk. Remember, operating systems are all about discussing the management of various kinds of resources. And in this chapter, we will also discuss the allocation of storage resources. How should a file be placed on the disk, and where? Of course, the management of the unused disk, free space, is also a topic that will be discussed in this section.